What is computer virus? How a computer virus affect our computers? When the first computer virus was detected? Why antiviruses are so important to be installed in our computer system? How antivirus protect our computer systems, our mobile phones with the viruses? These are some questions which I am going to explain today in this video. So before starting the video, I would request you to please subscribe our channel and press. So let's get started. Before a couple of years, people were unknown with the name of computers. But as computers came in existence, they have been a very important part of our life. Everywhere, in colleges, hospitals, railway stations, almost everywhere, even in our houses. Now we see that computers are helping us as our family members. Now, if I would say you to imagine your life without computers, I'm sure it would be very difficult to imagine life without computers. Because they are always there for us as a family member. But if I would tell you that there is something, there are some disease which can make your family members very sick. And I'm sure we always try to keep our family members away with these kind of diseases. Yes, I'm talking about computer virus. As humans suffer with diseases, with viruses, and they lose their energy, slowly they become very weak, and if they do not take a proper treatment of that, they could die. Similarly, if any computer is affected with the viruses, if they are not recovered with these viruses, that computer's files can be damaged, and sometimes computer OS operating systems can be in danger. What is virus exactly? And when this word was used first time? Let me tell you, computer virus, that kind of a word was used first time in the Institute of California by a student which name was Fred Cohen. He said that there must be something as a virus of humans, like as a human is suffering with the viruses and they are becoming sick. Similarly, there must be something which can spoil, which can hamper the files of computers. But nobody believed, because at that time there was no viruses. So people neglected. But in 1986, when C-brain, it was the first that kind of virus which was detected. C-brain. Because it is difficult to detect viruses, that is why in the starting time many viruses were made, like as Creeper and many others. But C-brain was the first computer virus which was so popular because it contained its owner's name. It was the virus which was made by the two Pakistani software developer brothers. It was Basit and Amjad. They introduced this virus in 1986. Because in this virus all the address of the company which made it was available, that is why this was so popular. But because it was the beginning time of the viruses, people neglected it. But thereafter, in 1988, Macintosh antivirus came in existence. And it spread all the way in a very large scale. And people were more concerned about viruses. As the time passed, new viruses started coming in the market. People were concerned about the protection of their computer systems. They wanted to protect their computer systems with these kind of viruses. And that is how antiviruses came in existence. Antivirus was just working opposite to the viruses. They were detecting viruses and stopping to the viruses to enter in the computers. And so antiviruses are very important for our computer systems because these programs, these softwares are there who always protect your computer systems. It is also very important that virus definition should be updated all the time, because how antivirus will recognize that this is virus, this is not a file. As every day new viruses are coming in the market, that is why antiviruses are also needed to be updated as the time passes. New viruses are coming in the market, new updates of antivirus definitions, virus definitions should be updated all the time, so that antiviruses could detect these viruses and could stop them to destroy the files of our computer systems. Many other forms are there by which a computer virus can enter in a computer. Like as it is not certainly important that only through internet, if you are using internet, then only a computer virus can enter in a mobile. No. If you are using some other ways, like as you are using any affected pen drive, any CD drive or something else which are already affected, if you are connecting that kind of device in your computer, it can also affect, it can also, some viruses can enter with the help of that. And I'm sure you would know that what is exactly antivirus, how does it work, how does it stop the viruses to enter in computer system. Now I'm just telling you 5 most popular antiviruses which you can install in your mobile and your computers to protect your computers and mobiles with the viruses. So here we go. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends